90-second chef. Here is this week's special dish on the 90-second chef.
Thanks for tuning in to the 90-second chef, the show where we teach you how to cook in 90-second videos. Today we're going to make a recipe that I created called So Good Sesame Seed Super Crunch Gomasio. It's a Japanese recipe. Here's what you need. 2 cups of white sesame seeds. 1/4 cup black sesame seeds. 2 S&B crunchy garlic sauce. 1 cup fried red onions. 1 snack pack of roasted seaweed. 1 tablespoon pure sesame oil. 1 tablespoon Mandarin Jajang sauce. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Grind the red onion up, and you can do this in a mortar and pestle or a food processor. Cut the seaweed into little strips. You'll need this for later. Heat up the pan to 3/4 heat and add 2 cups of white sesame seeds. Add 1/4 cup of black sesame seeds. Roast these seeds and monitor the heat and the seeds so that they roast but don't burn. It usually takes 2 minutes. If it gets too hot, take it off the burner. Add 2 jars of S&B crunchy garlic sauce and continue stirring for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon Jajang sauce and continue stirring. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and stir. Add 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Now add the flakes. Now the best way to store these seeds and keep them fresh is in glass jars. The seeds will be very hot and may melt plastic or plastic jars. This recipe will make 2 500 ml jars and 2 smaller ones. This is a delicious snack that you could put on rice or salad, or if you're like my nephew, eat right out of the jar because it's good and delicious. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.